Fox didn't put out a statement right away. That's his business.
$8 just get me. That's just how I feel. Nah.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, then welcome. I'm probably gonna have to keep this short because my girl's in the background acting a fool, so I hope y'all can't hear them too much. But I just finished watching church service. I like watching church service from home. They had a little Christmas concert that they was doing. I was gonna go to church in person this morning, but I'm not gonna lie, I just didn't really feel like it. So church from home is what we did. I'm about to start Bible journaling because I really need to get into the word. These past few days have been trying and testing. You ever feel like you're being tested and you're like, okay, God, like, what is it that you're trying to show me? What is it? Why am I being tested? Like, what lesson are you trying to teach me? And that's exactly how I feel. That's how I've been feeling for the last week. So I decided today we're not going to be in a funk because I've been in a funk. I've been super down. I've been in my head. But today is going to Self-Care Sunday, and it's all about me. It's all about pouring back into me so that I can be my better self and show up how I'm supposed to show up. Good morning, y'all. It's the next day. After I did my skincare routine last night, I ate, and baby, I got my behind in that bed. I watched the Jamie Foxx special on Netflix, and I went to sleep. Did y'all see his Netflix special? What's it called? What happened was? It was okay. It was all right. I know he wasn't trying to be funny. Like he was trying to be funny, but he was also trying to tell his story. I'm not gonna lie, I did cry in some parts because it was like, dang, like that's crazy. I can't believe people thought he was really a clone. Like, come on now. One thing about it, when celebrities are going through stuff or whatever, and we hear about them in the news, why do people feel entitled that they need to know what is going on in their life? Oh, Jamie Foxx didn't put out a statement right away. That's his business. So now that we know that he had a stroke, clearly he couldn't put out a statement. I don't know. I just don't like when people feel entitled to these celebrities, because at the end of the day, we do not know these people in their life. We don't know what they got going on in their life. I didn't mean to go on a little rant like that, but I made my smoothie for the morning. I'm actually getting a late start. It's about to be 10 o'clock. I got out of bed super late. I don't know what it is about today, about Mondays, but Mondays I get to sleep in because my daughter doesn't go to school. But of course, I still have to be up for my son. He's older, so I just need to listen out for him when he's leaving. But Mondays, since my daughter doesn't go to school, I be in bed. So I didn't get out the bed until about 8:30, and we didn't make it downstairs to almost 9 o'clock. I made their breakfast. I made my smoothie. So now I'm about to finish up eating my bacon. I had a little bit of eggs, and then clean this kitchen, and then I'm gonna I got some bonnets to make. So yeah, that's my day for today. Oh, then and I have to do some laundry. So that's my day for today. Nothing major, too chill, and that's that. I was used to hiding what I want and panicking when my name was called. I'd bolt and anything short of drawing night would make me feel shy. You smile. Oh, you did everything that you could to drown out all the whispers that I was no good. Your words were little ceilings under me that grew into a mighty wood. Here I go, now I'm fading out, and the game is on. I'm rising 'cause I'm ready to take it on. Here I go, now I'm fading out, and the game is on. I'm rising 'cause I'm ready to take it on. Here I go. Here I go. I've got lightning underneath my feet, a synergy moving my anatomy in harmony, higher than I've been and stronger than I want. When your husband give you his card to go to Target, you run. You don't walk, you run. I'm at Target right now. I don't know what I'm gonna buy, but whatever I see and whatever I like, then that's what I'm getting. So come on, let's go. I'm getting it like this. And we have these. Say the love is blind. That is funny. These are so cute. And This is my favorite color right now. Anything green looks so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love it. I need another long coat. I have a brown one at home, or tan, whatever. I need a black or a gray. That would be so cute. More coats over here. I love me a cute bodysuit. It's really cute. And these pants. These are cute. I like these. I don't know which one's so cute. I want to make cookies. I don't know which one to get. Maybe we should just stick to white. This is cute. Peppermint. I don't really like peppermint that much. I think we'll do this one. This is cute. I think we could do this one. This will be cute. Ooh, they have the little... Look, these two girls came up to me and gave me a free flower. They said it was from her mom's business. Oh, this is so cute. That was sweet. These are cute. I'm not supposed to be drinking coffee, or I said I was going to stop drinking coffee, but I've been in a coffee mood, so I need some coffee. Let's see. Oh, this is decaffeinated. I'll go with the decaffeinated.